What's up guys, so check this out. I just got the chin spoiler in the mail. I'm about to open it up right now. So yeah guys, this is not an official unboxing, but check it out. Pretty dope. Now I assumed that I was gonna have to paint it anyways, and I will. Now there's a pretty good finish right here, but I'm gonna go ahead and paint it gloss black. Now it actually looks pretty good like this, but it does have a few scratch marks and all that, and I want mine to look perfect, so I'm gonna go ahead and paint mine. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and slap this thing on to test fit it, and I'll see you then. So yeah guys, this is a quick before, check it out. Not as aggressive, still looks cool, but not as aggressive as with the chin spoiler. Now one thing I never really liked on the front bumpers of these is the roundness right here. And with that new chin spoiler, it kind of makes it more sharp. And especially this bottom piece right here, down there, I never really liked that part. It just makes it look a little ovally. But with the chin spoiler, it hides this piece right here, so it makes it look a little more aggressive. So check it out guys, doesn't that look way meaner? God dang, that thing looks crazy mean now. So yeah guys, I'll leave the link on the description on where I got this one, but check it out guys, it makes the front end look crazy now. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take it off and start painting it. Yo, what's up guys? So as you can see right behind me there, the lip is officially installed. Now as you can see, I did paint it gloss black, but let me know what you guys think. Is a flat black better or the gloss black? When I first put on the gloss black, I was kind of like, oh man, I think I messed it up, but I have to get used to it. It looks pretty cool right now, but give me your honest opinion on that. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a close-up look so you guys could check it out. Now currently it's being held by double-sided tape, but whenever I have time, I'm gonna go ahead and drill maybe a hole or two right here, put a bolt in there, and tighten it together with the bumper right here. But yeah guys, as for the fitment, it was not 100%, but there's nothing to complain about. Although right here on this fog light, I didn't manage to get it flush on the fog light right here. The other one was good, but not this one. But maybe there's like some way I could tweak it for it to be flush. But I just went ahead and left it like that. But from an untrained eye, it looks completely perfect from here. Not much to complain about. But yeah guys, I'm gonna have to get you guys some rolling shots because this does not do it justice. Or you can check my IG, I did post a few pictures with the chin spoiler there. But anyways, I'm gonna get some rolling shots whenever I get somebody to record me driving, so you guys can see how mean it looks. But yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link down below if you guys want to purchase the one I purchased. Pretty good deal in my opinion, and it looks pretty cool. But yeah guys, thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Deuces.